Moko kuom jood bura mawuok e kaunti ma Murang'a owuok oko mar kwedo paro mar thicho oko jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua ka giloso e laro kata alwora mar od bura thuolo machuok bang' jaod bura ma Kibwezi West Mwenge Mutuse pedho parono e od bura. Jood burago wacho ni Gachagua ne ok omi thuolo mar duoko penjo e wi weche ma itudego. Bende gidwaro mondo jood bura wit oko parono kendo tero Gachagua nyim komiti ma ochung'ne kelo thek e duond bura mar UDA kar thiche oko e wi winjruok e kinde kata wi gwandruok gi pogruok e paro e kinde kod jatend piny William Ruto.
Raging issues of impeachment debate is a dispute between elected members of UDA party and the deputy party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. All having been elected at the UDA ticket are subservient to the UDA constitution. Number 2, Article 39 of the UDA constitution has set an elaborate dispute resolution mechanism. That article was put by the drafter of the UDA constitution with a foresight that matters of the party members and dispute within the party members need not be conversed in public before internal dispute mechanism has been exhausted. The matter will be debated in his absence and decisions made without being afforded an opportunity to respond.
Others were signing other duress that if they don't sign, not a single time, the projects that are in their constituencies will be done, including the new and the stalled ones.
ODM, led by Raila Amolo Odinga, will never ever convince anybody that they were not brought into government for the single purpose of kicking out Rigathi Gachagua.